Mommy, can you buy me a new puppy? Uy! Hindi pa. Uy, uy. Hindi.
Yung small puppy, yung baby niya, anak niya, ay, kapatid niya.
Mommy,
Yung
can you
maliit
buy
na
me a
doggy,
sister?
you want, Ali?
Yeah.
Kaso it's a girl. Ewan ko kung girl yun o boy.
It's a... No.
I think it's a girl.
It's a boy and the one is a sister. Then, they are friends.
They are friends.
Yeah.
Bakit ba kayo na sa pwesto? Kulit mo, ha?
Happy ka dyan, Mommy, no?
Uy, dahan-dahan.
Wala naman ito, the doggies.
Marino.
Ang ganda when ay buhat. Pati ng pet mo eh.
Di ba?
Mommy, that's ate yung classmate. Mommy. Dito.
Ano ba yan?